Is your Chevy SS key fob not working? It likely needs a new CR2032 battery. This video shows you how to replace it yourself on 2014-2017 models. The process is simple and takes just a few minutes, saving you time and money. We'll cover everything you need to know in this video. Your key fob battery typically lasts 3 to 5 years with normal use. The Chevy SS key fob is a compact remote control device that allows you to lock and unlock your vehicle from a distance. It consists of several key components that work together to provide reliable functionality. The fob features a two-piece plastic housing that protects the internal electronics. This durable plastic case is designed to be opened easily for battery replacement while maintaining a secure fit. Inside are the electronic components that process your button presses and generate the wireless signals. These include a small circuit board and transmitter chip that handle the communication with your vehicle. On the exterior, you'll find buttons for locking and unlocking your doors remotely. These buttons are typically labeled with lock and unlock symbols for easy identification. Powering everything is a CR2032 lithium coin battery, a small but powerful 3-volt battery that lasts 3 to 5 years with normal use. This battery enables the fob to transmit radio signals at 433 MHz frequency to communicate with your vehicle's receiver. Unlike some modern key fobs, the Chevy SS fob doesn't require programming or synchronization after battery replacement, as it's not transponder-based for ignition in these models. Simply replace the battery and the fob will work immediately. For replacing the Chevy SS key fob battery, you'll only need a few basic tools. A small flathead screwdriver or even a coin can be used to pry open the key fob housing. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is a 3-volt lithium coin cell. These cost $1 to $3 and are available at Amazon or AutoZone. A plastic pry tool is recommended to prevent scratching the plastic housing while opening the fob. With these basic tools, replacing the key fob battery is a straightforward process. Locate the small seam or notch on the edge of the key fob. This is where the two halves connect. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam. Be careful not to force it. Pry the two halves of the fob apart, starting from the keyring end to avoid damage. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. First, note the battery's orientation with the positive side facing up. Then, use a screwdriver to gently pop the battery out of its metal clip holder. Now for step 3, inserting the new battery. Place the new CR2032 battery into the clip, ensuring correct polarity. The flat side should face down, and the embossed side with the plus symbol should face up. Take the new CR2032 battery. The flat side goes down into the clip while the side with the raised plus symbol faces up. This ensures proper electrical contact and prevents damage to the fob. Gently place the battery into the metal clip inside the fob housing. Make sure it sits securely with the correct orientation. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together firmly. Ensure they are securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. You should see an LED flash or hear a beep indicating it's working. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, first double-check the battery polarity and ensure contacts are clean of debris. If issues persist, try resetting by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. To prevent future damage, avoid using metal tools near the circuit board and always work in a dry environment. Consider performing an annual check of the fob and battery to catch issues early.